Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a kind hearted boy named Ali. One day, he found a little injured bird and decided to nurse it back to health with love and care. The bird soon became strong and could fly again. As a token of gratitude, the bird revealed its magical power to Ali. From that day on, Ali could understand the language of animals. He used this gift to help and protect the creatures of the forest from harm. Word of Ali's gift spread far and wide, and people from neighboring villages sought his advice and assistance in solving various problems. Ali became known as the friend of the animals, spreading compassion and kindness wherever he went. As he grew older, Ali continued to use his gift to teach others about the importance of caring for all living beings, and his village became a shining example of harmony and coexistence among humans and animals.